Hi everyone. I will decided to do some presentation about the lecture series Engineering Math. It will have two main topic. One is linear algebra. The second one is differential equation. But we cannot do cover all the differential equation because it's a huge area for everyone, for every science. So we will focus on basically in this lecture series linear constant coefficient difference equation and linear constant coefficient differential equations. We will learn about it. And in difference equation, we will introduce a z transform. In differential equation, we will introduce a Laplace transform. And these two transform methods are really important to understand discrete and continuous signals in our engineering studies. And as you can see, we studied the linear algebra before learning these concepts. And the reason is we are going to study the linear constant coefficient difference and linear constant coefficient differential equation. This linear part help us to introduce some concepts. We have learned linear algebra to solve these equations. And in the linear algebra part, we will study the matrix and linear equation, inverse of a matrix, transpose of a matrix, vector spaces. These are really important headlines for us. And we then introduce a eigenvalue and eigenspace problem. I write it in a different color because it's quite unrelated to what we have done previously, but thanks to that we can enable to write higher order of a matrix, for example a over 100, a over 200, a over 1000, a over 1 billion, even though, and it will help our studies and our research. And it's a little bit unrelated, but we will introduce some curve fitting method, and it is important. It was important actually at the beginning of machine learning, and then, as I said previously, we will study linear constant coefficient difference equation, linear constant coefficient differential equation, and it seems quite long, but I will try to solve as much question as possible. I will try to keep the lectures really short and effective so that we can get prepared for our exams and or for our studies so that we can apply what we have learned in this presentation series. Have a good day. See you in the next presentation.